Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Asking for help without feeling nervous. I always feel nervous when I have to ask someone for help, even when I really need it.
I understand that feeling, but asking for help is actually a normal and healthy thing to do.
I know that logically, but my heart still races whenever I try to speak up.
Maybe it helps to remind yourself that most people are willing to help and won't judge you.
I guess I worry that I might sound incompetent or bother someone.
Asking for help doesn't mean you're incompetent. It shows that you are willing to learn and improve.
That's a good way to think about it, but I still struggle with the first words.
You can start with something simple and polite, like, "Excuse me, could you help me with this?"
That sounds easy when you say it, but I tend to overthink every word.
Try not to overanalyze it, because most conversations are more relaxed than we imagine.
Maybe I should practice saying it out loud before actually asking someone.
That's a great idea, because practice can make you feel more confident and prepared.
I also feel nervous about interrupting people when they seem busy.
You can acknowledge that by saying, "I'm sorry to interrupt, but may I ask for your help?"
That sounds respectful and considerate, which makes me feel a bit better.
Exactly. Being polite usually makes people more open and willing to respond kindly.
Sometimes I worry that they might say no, and that makes me hesitate.
Even if they say no, it doesn't mean anything negative about you. They might just be busy.
I never thought about it that way, and it makes rejection feel less personal.
It's important to separate your self-worth from other people's responses.
I also think my nervousness comes from not knowing how to explain what I need clearly.
You can prepare a short and clear explanation so you don't feel lost when you speak.
That could really help me stay calm and focused during the conversation.
Yes, and taking a deep breath before you start can also reduce your anxiety.
Breathing slowly might help me control that racing feeling in my chest.
It definitely can, and it gives you a moment to collect your thoughts.
I like the idea of pausing before speaking, instead of rushing into it.
Another tip is to remind yourself that everyone needs help at some point.
That makes me feel less alone, knowing that others go through the same thing.
Of course they do, and many people appreciate being asked because it makes them feel useful.
I never considered that asking for help could actually make someone feel good.
It often does, because people like to share their knowledge and support others.
That changes my perspective and makes the situation feel more positive.
Also, maintaining eye contact and speaking clearly can make you feel more confident.
I'll try to remember that, even though eye contact sometimes makes me nervous too.
You can start small and gradually build your confidence over time.
Starting small sounds manageable and less overwhelming for me.
You could begin by asking close friends or colleagues for help.
That feels safer and might help me get used to the process.
Once you feel comfortable, you can slowly ask people you don't know as well.
I like that step-by-step approach because it doesn't feel too sudden.
Progress doesn't have to be fast. What matters is that you keep trying.
I often forget that small improvements are still important.
They really are, and each positive experience will build your confidence.
I'm starting to feel more encouraged just talking about it.
That's great to hear, because confidence often grows from understanding and practice.
I think I'll try asking for help tomorrow at work instead of avoiding it.
That's a wonderful plan, and I'm sure it will go better than you expect.
If I feel nervous, I'll remember your advice and take a deep breath first.
And don't forget to smile, because it makes you appear more approachable and relaxed.
Smiling might also make me feel a little more at ease inside.
Exactly. Sometimes small actions can change how we feel more than we realize.
Thank you for all these tips, because they make the situation seem less scary.
You're welcome, and I believe you can handle this with confidence.
I'm going to remind myself that asking for help is a strength, not a weakness.
That's the perfect mindset to have moving forward.
I feel more prepared now, and I'm actually a little excited to try.
That's a big step forward, and you should be proud of yourself.
I'll let you know how it goes after I try it tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to hearing about your success.